Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are enjoying your winter vacation. During this happiest time, I want to take you on an exciting journey into the amazing world of technology, innovation, and creativity. Are you ready to join me on this adventure? Okay, let's start. Today, you are going to learn how to develop an app using MIT App Inventor. Do you know what is MIT App Inventor? MIT App Inventor is a visual programming environment that enables everyone, even without prior coding experience, to create fully functional applications for Android devices, which means it enables you to build apps without writing any code. Do you know what are the benefits of app development? App development offers number of benefits for students. Imagine holding a smartphone in your hand and knowing that the app on the screen was built by you. That is the kind of empowerment MIT App Inventor offers. Now let us learn how to download an MIT App Inventor. Now open the web browser, type the given address into the Google search and press enter. The search result will navigate you to the relevant page. This is our relevant page. Now instead of clicking on download button, first go to files. Here you can see number of versions. Among these versions, you can choose AI2U 4.3 version. Now click on portable. Here you can see 3 zip files. One is 64 and another one is 32. The third one is 42. If you have 64-bit operating system, you need to choose 64-bit. Or if you have 32-bit operating system, you need to choose 32-bit. Let me tell you how you can check whether you have 64-bit or 32-bit. First, right-click on this PC, select Properties. This will show your PC info. Here you can see the system information. Mine is the 64-bit operating system. You can see it in system type. If your operating system is 64-bit, you need to choose 64-bit zip file. Otherwise, if your operating system is 32-bit, you need to choose 32-bit zip file. Here you can see the file is downloading. After the file has downloaded, you can see it in your downloads. Here you can see the downloaded zip file. You need to extract the files from this zip file. To extract the files from this zip file, right click on the zip file. You can see many options. Among these options, choose Extract All option. Here you can see the complete file has extracted from the zip file. Double click on the folder. Here you can see some files. Now right click on the AI2U file. Just click on Send to option. After that, select the Desktop Create Shortcut option. Now you need to go to Desktop. Here you can find AI2U shortcut icon. Now double click on this icon. The App Inventor 2 Ultimate window will appear. Now click on All AI2U server. After you click on All AI2U server, this will open 3 terminals. Here you can see the first terminal and the second one and the third one. After the 3 terminals are open, now click on the Start Inventor. This will redirect you to the local host where you can see the login option. Here you need to click here to use your Google account to login option. Here tick in the checkbox. Here you no need to give your email ID and password because this is the offline version. You can log in with the default ID test@example.com. After you log in, you can see the MIT App Inventor offline website. Students, this is the environment where you can create your own apps. In the next section, I will teach you how to create an app in MIT App Inventor.